Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ram 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.